Hello, everyone. Welcome to a new English lesson. Today, we will be looking at days of the week in English, how to pronounce, how to write, and how to use the days of the week. Let's begin. There are 7 days of the week in English. Listen and repeat after me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Pay attention to the pronunciation of this day of the week. This one. It is not pronounced Wednesday. It is pronounced Wednesday. Okay? Pay attention. Wednesday. Good. Let us do some exercises. What day is today? Okay? So, I do not know when you are watching this video, what day of the week you are watching this video, but let us assume that today is Monday. So the question will be, what day is today? And the answer is, today is Monday. Okay? Now, let's look at question number 2. If today is Monday, what day was yesterday? Okay? If today is Monday, what day was yesterday? Well, yesterday was Sunday. Question number 3. If today is Monday, what day is tomorrow? And your answer is, tomorrow is Tuesday. Okay? Last question. What day comes after Thursday? Can you guess the answer? Do you know the answer? If not, go back to the previous slide and review the days of the week. But if your answer is Friday, you are correct. Great. Let us practice one more time. Pay attention to your pronunciation of these words. Okay? So, repeat after me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Thank you for watching. That is the end of this lesson for today. Do not forget to share this video, like this video, and subscribe to this channel. For more videos and more lessons in English, come back and visit our channel.